Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of changing session room views in Roombr. First, if you wish to view the session in full screen mode for an immersive experience, simply locate the full screen icon. Click on it to enter full screen mode. To return to the normal view, you can click on the same full screen button again. Alternatively, you can press the escape button on your keyboard. Next, let's talk about toggling between grid and speaker views. In grid view, you can see all participants arranged in a grid layout, making it easy to view everyone at once. To switch to speaker view, click on the speaker view toggle icon located at the bottom right of the session window. Conversely, the speaker view focuses on the active speaker, displaying them prominently in the main window while still allowing you to see other participants.